In this video, I will show you how to create this logo in a few simple steps using simple shapes and pen tools. Without much ado, let's jump right into it. This video is brought to you by Brand and Graphics channel, and my name is Vincent Annie. Let me quickly grab the pen tool. I will create two shapes using the pen tool. Two shapes will represent the bargeboard and gable of a roof. We're making a real estate logo. I have this grid set up to help me create the dimensions of this logo proportionally. The second shape will be bigger than the first one. Now let's connect the two shapes. By the way, if you want to learn more about how to use the pen tool, I have a full tutorial on how to use the pen tool displaying at the top right corner of the screen right now. Now let's grab the direct selection tool and adjust this area like so. Next, let's use the square to create the window. Hold down the Shift key to scale the square proportionally. We will use the line tool to divide the square. Select all and center align. Then go to Pathfinder and divide. Go ahead and increase the stroke size. If you wish, you can ungroup this. And now is the time to color the logo. Either you change the stroke color to blue or you turn off the stroke entirely. Outline stroke. Now we would like to add a circle. So pick up the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Hold down the Shift key to create a perfect circle. If you like this video so far, please give it a thumbs up, and the YouTube algorithm will push this video to more people that need to see it. And that's how you help my channel grow. I appreciate it. Copy the circle and paste in place. Hold the Shift and Alt key and reduce it. We will select this and use the Shape Builder tool to merge some parts. Let's also use the curvature tool to adjust this part. That's better. This logo seems to be hanging in the mid-air, so to give it a balance and a base, let's select the line tool and draw a line across. Hold the Alt or Option key to duplicate the line. Outline lines and use the Shape Builder tool to join them to the circle. And finally, use the text tool to type the real estate company name. If you look at our logo closely, you will notice three letters, A, V, and M. We can change the font, increase the stroke, and expand it. And here is our real estate logo. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.